They say time is the most valuable gift we are given. Once it passes, it never returns. This is the story of a young boy who learned that lesson from an old man. A lesson that changed his life forever. In a small, quiet village, there lived a boy named Eli. Eli was curious, kind, and full of dreams, but he had one big problem. He always said, "I'll do it later." He wanted to learn English. "I'll start tomorrow." He wanted to read books next week. He wanted to become someone great one day. Not today. Instead, Eli spent most of his time wandering around, watching others work, and waiting for the perfect moment. But the perfect moment never came. Every afternoon, Eli walked past an old man sitting near a tree at the edge of the village. The old man had a long white beard, gentle eyes, and a calm voice. He always seemed to be thinking deeply. One day, the old man stopped Eli and said, "Why do you look so tired, young boy, when you've done so little?" Eli felt embarrassed. "I have many plans," he replied. "I just don't have enough time." The old man smiled softly. "Come," he said, placing a hand on Eli's shoulder. "Walk with me." They walked slowly along the path. The old man asked, "Tell me, how old do you think I am?" Eli guessed. 70, maybe 80. The old man nodded. "When I was your age, I thought I had endless time." He looked at Eli and said something that would stay with him forever. The biggest lie people believe is that they have time. Eli was silent. The old man began to tell his own story. "I wanted to learn new languages. I wanted to travel. I wanted to teach others. I said the same thing you say later." Days turned into years. Years turned into decades. And one morning, the old man said quietly, "I woke up old. I realized something too late. Time doesn't wait for motivation. Motivation comes after action." That night, Eli couldn't sleep. The old man's words echoed in his mind. Don't waste your time. The biggest lie is thinking you have time. The next morning, something was different. Instead of wandering around, Eli picked up a book. Instead of delaying, he started learning slowly, imperfectly, but consistently. He studied a few words every day. He listened. He practiced. He fouled. He fouled. Continued anyway. Time passed. Eli grew older. One day, he returned to the same path by the tree. The old man was gone, but in his place stood a small wooden sign carved with simple words. "Time is life. Use it well." Eli smiled. He had become a teacher. He helped others learn. He told stories that inspired people around the world, and in every lesson, he shared the same message. Start now, not tomorrow, not later, now. If you're watching this right now, this is your moment. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for Motivation.ton. Start learning twats. Start learning. Start growing. Start today. Because one day, you'll look back and realize today was the moment that mattered most. Subscribe channel for more interesting stories. Thank you.